Today's digital world, businesses generate and store vast amounts of data every day. Ensuring that these files are safely backed up and easily shared among team members is crucial for smooth operations. But with so many options available, finding a reliable and free file sharing software can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll explore the best free solutions that not only help you share files, but also provide backup features to keep your business data secure. Let's start by understanding why file sharing and backup are essential for any business, big or small. Imagine losing all your important business documents due to a computer crash or accidental deletion. That's where backup comes in. Regularly backing up your files ensures that you always have a copy of your critical data no matter what happens. File sharing software with backup features can automate this process, saving you time and reducing the risk of data loss. This is especially important for businesses that rely on digital files for daily operations, client communications, and project management. File sharing software allows users to upload, store, and share files with others over the internet. These tools are designed to make collaboration easier, whether your team is in the same office or spread across the globe. Many modern file sharing platforms also include backup features, ensuring that your files are not only accessible but also protected from accidental loss. Let's look at how these platforms work and what features to look for. Choosing a file sharing software for your business, there are several important features to consider. Look for tools that offer secure file transfer, easy access controls, and automatic backup options. It's also helpful if the software integrates with other business tools you use, such as email or project management platforms. User-friendly interfaces and reliable customer support can make a big difference, especially for small businesses without dedicated IT staff. One of the most popular free file sharing and backup solutions is Google Drive. With a Google account, you get 15 GB of free storage that can be used to store, share, and back up your business files. Google Drive allows you to organize files in folders, set sharing permissions, and collaborate in real time with team members. Its integration with Google Workspace tools like Docs, Sheets, and Slides makes it a versatile choice for businesses of all sizes. Google Drive isn't just for sharing files, it also offers backup capabilities. You can use the Backup and Sync tool to automatically save selected folders from your computer to the cloud. This means your important business documents are always safe, even if your device is lost or damaged. Plus, you can access your files from any device anywhere, making remote work and collaboration seamless. Dropbox is another well-known file sharing platform that offers a free plan with 2 GB of storage. While the free storage is less than Google Drive, Dropbox is praised for its simple interface and reliable syncing across devices. You can easily share files and folders with colleagues, set permissions, and keep your business files organized. Dropbox also offers desktop and mobile apps for convenient access. Dropbox's backup features allow you to automatically sync files from your computer to the cloud. Any changes you make to a file are instantly updated across all your devices. This ensures that your business files are always up to date and protected from accidental loss. Dropbox also keeps a version history, so you can restore previous versions of files if needed. Microsoft OneDrive is another excellent free file sharing and backup solution. With a Microsoft account, you receive 5 GB of free storage. OneDrive integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Office apps, making it easy to save and share Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files. Its backup features ensure your business documents are always safe and accessible from any device. OneDrive's backup capabilities include automatic syncing of selected folders, such as documents and pictures, from your computer to the cloud. This means your business files are always protected, and you can recover them if your device is lost or damaged. OneDrive also supports file versioning, so you can restore previous versions if needed. Syncom is a lesser-known but powerful file sharing and backup service that offers 5 GB of free storage. What sets Syncom apart is its focus on privacy and security. All files are end-to-end encrypted, meaning only you and those you share with can access your business data. Syncom also provides automatic backup and easy sharing options. With Syncom, you can set up automatic backups for your business files, ensuring that your data is always protected. The platform's strong encryption means your files remain private, even if stored in the cloud. You can also share files securely with colleagues and clients, making collaboration safe and efficient. eCloud offers 10 GB of free storage and is known for its flexibility and user-friendly interface. You can upload, share, and back up your business files with ease. eCloud also allows you to expand your storage through referrals and offers both desktop and mobile apps for convenient access. Its backup features help keep your important documents safe at all times. eCloud's backup tools allow you to automatically sync folders from your computer to the cloud. This ensures that your business files are always up to date and protected from accidental loss. eCloud also supports file versioning, so you can restore previous versions if needed, giving you peace of mind. Mega stands out by offering a generous 20 GB of free storage. It's a great choice for businesses with larger file storage needs. Mega provides end-to-end encryption for all files, ensuring your business data remains private and secure. Its backup features make it easy to keep your files safe and accessible from anywhere. Mega's backup tools allow you to automatically upload and sync files from your devices to the cloud. The platform's strong encryption ensures that only you and authorized users can access your business files. Mega also supports file versioning and secure sharing, making it a comprehensive solution for file backup and collaboration. So many free file sharing and backup options available, it's important to choose the one that best fits your business needs. Consider factors like storage space, security features, ease of use, and integration with your existing tools. Think about how your team collaborates and what level of backup protection you require. The right software can make a big difference in your day-to-day operation. In dealing with business files, security should always be a top priority. Look for file sharing software that offers encryption, secure access controls, and regular security updates. Make sure you understand how your data is stored and who can access it. Some platforms like Syncom and Mega offer end-to-end encryption for maximum privacy. A user-friendly interface can save your team time and reduce frustration. Choose a file-sharing software that's easy to set up and navigate. Look for clear instructions, intuitive design, and helpful customer support. This is especially important if your team includes members who aren't tech-savvy. Integration with other business tools can streamline your workflow. Many file-sharing platforms connect with email, project management, and office productivity apps. For example, Google Drive integrates with Google Workspace and OneDrive works seamlessly with Microsoft Office. This makes it easier to manage files and collaborate on projects. In today's fast-paced business environment, being able to access your files on the go is essential. Most free file sharing software offers mobile apps for iOS and Android devices. This allows you to view, upload, and share files from anywhere, keeping your business moving even when you're away from your desk. Effective collaboration is key to business success. File sharing software often includes features like real-time editing, commenting, and version control. These tools make it easy for teams to work together on documents, track changes, and ensure everyone is on the same page. Look for platforms that support seamless collaboration. File versioning is a valuable feature that allows you to restore previous versions of your documents. This is especially useful if a file is accidentally changed or deleted. Most free file sharing platforms like Dropbox and pCloud offer version history as part of their backup features. This gives you added peace of mind when managing important business files. Setting up automatic backups is simple with most file sharing software. You can usually select which folders to sync, and the software will handle the rest. This ensures that your business files are always protected without requiring manual intervention. Regular backups are essential for business continuity and data security. Controlling who can access your business files is important for security. Most file sharing platforms allow you to set permissions for each file or folder. You can choose to share with specific people, set files to view only, or allow editing. This flexibility helps you protect sensitive information while enabling collaboration. Even with the best precautions, accidents can happen. That's why data recovery options are so important. Free file sharing software often includes tools to restore deleted files or recover previous versions. This safety net can save your business from costly data loss and keep your operations running smoothly. Cloud backup offers several advantages over local backup. With cloud solutions, your files are stored off-site, protecting them from physical damage like fire or theft. You can also access your files from anywhere, making remote work easier. However, it's still a good idea to keep local backups for added security. While free file sharing software offers many useful features, paid plans often provide more storage, advanced security, and additional collaboration tools. For small businesses or startups, free plans are usually sufficient. As your business grows, you may want to consider upgrading to a paid plan for extra benefits. Getting started with free file sharing and backup software is easy. Simply sign up for an account with your chosen platform, download the app if needed, and start uploading your business files. Most platforms offer step-by-step guides to help you set up automatic backups and sharing permissions. To make the most of your file sharing and backup software, follow a few best practices. Regularly review your backup settings, organize your files into clear folders, and set strong passwords for your accounts. Encourage your team to use the platform consistently to ensure all important business data is protected. Avoid common mistakes like relying on a single backup, sharing sensitive files without proper permissions, or neglecting to update your software. Regularly check that your backups are working and educate your team about security best practices. This will help you avoid data loss and keep your business running smoothly. Training your team on how to use file sharing and backup software is essential. Make sure everyone understands how to upload, share, and restore files. Provide clear guidelines on security and backup procedures. A well-informed team is your best defense against data loss and security breaches. Free file sharing and backup software is especially valuable for remote teams. It allows employees to access and collaborate on files from anywhere, ensuring business continuity even when working from home or traveling. This flexibility can boost productivity and keep your business agile in changing times. As your business grows, your file storage and backup needs will increase. Most free file sharing platforms offer scalable solutions, allowing you to upgrade to paid plans with more storage and advanced features. This means you can start small and expand as your business demands evolve. Cloud-based file sharing and backup can also have a positive environmental impact. By reducing the need for physical storage devices and paper documents, your business can lower its carbon footprint. Many cloud providers also use energy-efficient data centers, contributing to a greener future. Reliable customer support can make a big difference, especially if you encounter issues with your file sharing or backup software. Look for platforms that offer helpful resources, responsive support teams, and clear documentation. This ensures you can resolve problems quickly and keep your business running smoothly. As your business evolves, your file sharing and backup needs may change. Regularly review your chosen software to ensure it still meets your requirements. Stay informed about new features and updates, and don't hesitate to switch platforms if a better solution becomes available. Be aware of data privacy laws that may affect your business, especially if you handle sensitive client information. Choose file sharing software that complies with regulations like GDPR or HIPAA if applicable. This helps you avoid legal issues and protects your client's data. Some file sharing platforms allow you to access files offline, which can be useful during travel or internet outages. Make sure to enable offline access for critical business documents so your team can keep working even without a connection. Many file sharing platforms support automation tools that can streamline your business workflows. For example, you can set up automatic file uploads, notifications, or integrations with other apps. Automation saves time and reduces the risk of human error, making your business more efficient. Keep an eye on your storage usage to avoid running out of space. Most free file sharing platforms provide tools to monitor how much storage you're using and which files take up the most space. Regularly clean up unnecessary files to make the most of your free storage. If your business handles large files, choose a platform that supports big uploads and downloads. Mega and pCloud are known for their generous file size limits. Make sure your internet connection is reliable to avoid interruptions during transfers. Archiving old business files can help you stay organized and free up storage space. Most file sharing platforms allow you to move files to an archive folder or download them for offline storage. Regular archiving keeps your workspace tidy and makes it easier to find important documents. Conduct regular security audits to ensure your file sharing and backup practices are up to date. Check for unauthorized access, review sharing permissions, and update passwords regularly. This proactive approach helps protect your business from data breaches and cyber threats. Refile sharing software with backup features can be a game changer for your business. By choosing the right platform and following best practices, you can protect your data, streamline collaboration, and support your team's productivity. Take the time to evaluate your options, set up your backup system, and educate your team. With the right tools in place, your business files will always be safe and accessible.